Hey, this is Anthony, the one and only storyteller. This is January the 12th. We're out here today. It's about 40 degrees. It's about as warm as it's going to get in the next 7-8 days. So we're going to try and see if we can get this thing started. I did put coolant in it, power steering fluid, belt. Everything's good to go. So we're gonna try and crank this thing up here in a minute and see how it goes. So it's been a long time coming. I hope it runs. There ain't no guarantee it will. But I sure hope it does. It'll make me feel good about it. It's cranking. It's running. I don't hear any real big noise. A little bit of smoke. Giving the wife a thumbs up, letting her know it's running. I don't know how. It sounds pretty good. Yeah, there's a lot of moving parts. It does have 109,900. Yeah, 109,900. Yeah, 109,000. Yeah, 109,974. That 0.5 throwed me off there. So everything seems to look good. Seat belt lights on. Good thing. It's warming up. So it's running. Everything sounds pretty good out here. Needs a little bit more antifreeze in it. Hang on a minute.